各位朋友，大家好. Hi, everybody. This is Mr. Locker, and we are going to be digging into our very first lesson of the year and our very first lesson in Mandarin Chinese, the four tones. Now, Chinese is a tonal language, which means the same sound said different ways with different tones can mean different things. So in Mandarin Chinese, there are four tones, and we are going to be learning those today. Now, one thing to note is you're going to be seeing English letters. That is called transliteration. So we're basically using our letters to sound out Chinese words because, well, we haven't learned the characters yet. So you will be noticing that as we go along on our Mandarin journey. Okay, let's start learning the tones. Now, there are four tones. And you will notice that as I'm speaking, I will be drawing them in the sky. I have the kids draw them in the sky as we are learning them because it helps solidify the concept of tones and it helps them kind of remember how to say them. Okay, so there are four tones. We're going to use the sound ma. Ma is pretty much the same, the first sound that a baby pretty much everywhere in the world makes, and it's pretty easy for us to remember. So let's kick it off with the first tone, which is ma. Ma. It's a little bit higher than you think. It's like la 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 la, ma, ma. Okay? The second tone is like we're running up a hill really fast or like a roller coaster going up before it gets to its peak. Okay? It's kind of the hardest one, I think, especially for non-native speakers to learn. So we start down here and we go ma, ma. Usually when I teach, I kind of use my head to go along with it. Ma. Okay, that is the second tone. So let's repeat the first 10-second tones. Ma, 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 ma. Great. Now let's learn the third tone. Okay, the third tone is for me the easiest. It's the most fun, I think, for the kids as well. It's kind of like Tigger and Winnie the Pooh. He loves to go boing, boing. Okay, I also say that it's kind of like running down to a canyon and dipping your toes in the water and then running back, or kind of like a bungee jump. Okay, ma, ma. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Ma, 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 ma. And the third tone, ma, ma. And let's go to our fourth tone. Our fourth tone is pretty easy. It's kind of like a karate chop. Ba, ba. Okay, so using the sound ma, we say ma, ma. Okay, pretty easy. So let's go through the four tones again. Ma, ma. Second tone, ma, ma. Third tone, ma, ma. And our fourth tone, ma, ma. Now, I said that each sound with a different tone means a different thing, so let's review. Ma, ma actually means mother, okay? So we would often say mama or mama, depending on which part of China or Taiwan or Singapore you are in. The second one is ma, which is kind of like, it's part of the word for numb, okay? Kind of like when your foot goes to sleep, okay? The third one is ma, ma, which actually means horse. And the fourth one is ma, ma, which means to yell at or to scold someone. Let's review one more time. Ma, 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 ma. All right, you have learned the four tones, and if you're in my class, you already know the four tones, and whoever is beside you is learning them along with you. Those are the four tones. I hope you got it, and I'll see you in the next lesson.